Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to create executive quality slides with Copilot. Now, Copilot helps a lot creating presentations in PowerPoint, but it doesn't stop there. You can even elevate the presentation design so it can read the executive quality slides. So, first of all, what do we need? Let's start with a file and then choose one of the already created slides by presentations or by PowerPoint themselves. So you can get here and literally choose whatever slide you want from these slides that we have here. So I'm gonna go with this one as an example, and I'm gonna click on create. So this is the first thing. Now we have something that looks clean, good looking, and you need to develop it by yourself. So here we have presentation title. I'm gonna add like another slide. I'm gonna remove basically everything that could be removed, and basically I'm gonna try to keep on going with this design. So I'm gonna create a new presentation design here. New depositor, yes. And what I'm gonna do is make sure that the color fits. So let's choose, first of all, the layouts. Let's choose the layout to be something like, okay, something like this looks good. So I'm gonna go with this one. And as you can see here, we are already going like with the design, same design with different layouts. So we can here upload an image. So we can go to our PC and add like an image like this and make it like that. And basically now we stop. We are going to add another text just to make it safe. And here we stop. What do we do next? Well, literally now all we need to do is to go to the Acrobat and let's Copilot do its work. So we are going to write a prompt, and this prompt is going to be make sure to develop this slide to make it executive quality level. And just like that, the actual Copilot will make it happy for us. So yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next upcoming video.